Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something really exciting that could completely change how you generate leads and drive traffic to your offers. If you've ever struggled with getting consistent, high-quality traffic without spending a fortune on ads or spending hours on social media, then you'll want to stick around. I recently came across EasyTrafficBot, and I have to say, it's a game changer. Imagine having a system that drives ready-to-buy leads to your offer without any ad spend or complicated tech skills. That's exactly what EasyTrafficBot promises to deliver. It allows you to create AI tools that attract targeted leads effortlessly. And the best part is, it works across different niches. Whether you're a digital product creator, an affiliate marketer, a coach, or a local business owner, this tool is designed to help you attract the right audience and boost your conversions. Getting traffic has always been a challenge, right? You've probably tried running ads, posting consistently on social media, or following outdated strategies that don't bring results. With EasyTrafficBot, things are a lot simpler. It leverages AI to create custom tools that not only provide value to your audience, but also funnel them directly to your sales page or lead magnet. That means you can finally focus on growing your business instead of chasing traffic. One of the things I really like about EasyTrafficBot is how easy it is to use. Even if you have zero AI experience, you can get started right away. The system includes an AI prompt generator that creates engaging, in-demand tools without any guesswork. That means you don't need to worry about writing complicated code or coming up with ideas from scratch. It's all done for you, and you just copy and paste to get started. Another impressive feature is the built-in call-to-action system. Once people start using your AI tools, they're seamlessly directed to your offers, which means more clicks and more sales without any extra effort on your part. And the best part? It's completely scalable. You can create multiple AI bots to drive even more traffic, giving you endless possibilities to grow your business. AI is rapidly becoming the future of online marketing, and with over 100 million active users engaging with GPT-powered tools every month, there's never been a better time to tap into this opportunity. EasyTrafficBot helps you leverage this trend by allowing you to create tools that attract real, targeted traffic without relying on paid ads or traditional marketing methods. People who have tried EasyTrafficBot are already seeing amazing results. Jason Conway, an early user, mentioned how he was able to create his first GPT-powered tool in less than an hour, and the traffic benefits were immediate. Another user, Mikey Johnson, described it as too cool and highly recommended it for anyone looking to boost their list and affiliate offers. These testimonials show just how effective and user-friendly this system is. Once you set up your AI bots, they run hands-free, bringing in new leads to your inbox every day. It's like having an automated lead generation system working for you 24/7. While it works for most niches, it's important to note that the adult niche might not be the best fit. When you get EasyTrafficBot, you'll receive step-by-step tutorial videos, a worksheet, and a PDF guide to help you create your AI traffic bots. There are also ready-to-use prompts tailored to different niches, so you don't have to start from scratch. And to make the deal even sweeter, there are some exclusive bonuses available during the launch period, including a guide to 10 hidden traffic sources and an AI side hustle blueprint to help you turn your GPTs into a passive income stream. This is a limited time offer, and the price will increase after the launch period. So if you're thinking about trying it out, now's the perfect time to take action. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's really no risk in giving it a shot. If you're not happy with the results, you can get a full refund. That's it for today's review. If you're ready to upgrade your lead generation strategy and start attracting free, high-quality traffic, EasyTrafficBot might be the solution you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next video.